Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, July 14th. What's going on from forexfactory.com calendar? Well, 8:30 this morning. We actually had some earlier. We had 8:15. We had the ADP weekly employment change, which came in at 19.8. Not a bad number. Then at 8:30, we had the big number, the CPI. Core CPI month over month was 0%. So it did not go up month over month. Core CPI year over year went up 2.6% versus an expected of 2.8. CPI month over month came in at minus 0.4% and year over year came in at 3.5%. Those are decent numbers, but remember that these numbers are positive, or at least most of them are positive, which means that inflation is still there. It's just not quite as aggressive as it was in the prior months. This is interesting because right as we speak, oil is now up to $80.71 a barrel. So this number is not really reflective of what's currently going on this moment. So it is what it is. It is a better number, but it's still not a good number. 10 o'clock, we have Fed Chair Warsh testifying in front of Congress. We'll see how that goes. 12:40, FOMC member Barr speaks. 1 p.m., FOMC member Goolsbee speaks. 2:55 p.m., FOMC member Bowman speaks. At 4 p.m., the tick long-term purchases. And at 4:30, the API weekly statistical bulletin will be released. So lots of stuff going on, a lot of red items. So be aware at 10 a.m. that Fed Chair Warsh is going to be speaking. We'll see how that goes. Moving on, looking at the daily chart. So yesterday we had a down day, below average volume, still can't get any volume. We are gapping up currently as we speak. We're still within this sideways action. In medium term, or I should say short term, definitely sideways. Medium term, sideways. Long term, we are still above the moving averages, so we're technically bullish on the long term. Top side is around 76.25. Bottom side is 74.88-ish. There's the bigger picture. Taking a look at the inventory, down price action and basically flat inventory. So not a lot to be gained from this information. So we'll just move on. Looking at the overnight action, you can see the big, gigantic move from the CPI number, which initially was very positive, although it's cut back about half of its move has already been cut because the positive CPI number is still positive. It means we still have inflation. It's just not as bad as we thought it was. So our expectations were slightly off, at least for that particular moment in time. Total range on overnight was 82 points, way above average. Long-term average, just crazy amount of volatility in this market. Support and resistance. Where do we have resistance? On the top side, we're very, very close to all-time highs, so there's not much above us. We've got 76, I'm going to call that 76.18, 76.88, 7,700, the whole number. On the bottom side, we've got 75.50 area has been a good spot. 75.32, 75.20, 75.06, 7,500, the whole number. Again, it's pegging between 7,500 and 7,600. If we can get above either one of those, we'll probably follow through. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 66.7% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.